out of nowhere. Oh, no. Nice save. Out. Oof. Huh. All right, that was an interesting one. That one came out of almost nowhere. Real quick, shout out to 99 Lives for having these awesome edits and videos and compilations for these live streams. It makes my life easier. You can barely see the vehicle in question that's going to do this way up there. Now, you have no indication, really. Like, this amount of space, like, I wouldn't even have known that's exactly where he was going to go. That's just not a good situation at all. Like, I see this one, like, sometimes it just baffles my mind. And there's times where you can't really spend too much time thinking about it because now you're just trying to figure out like the most random thing ever. It just doesn't really happen. There's no real pattern to this outside of maybe this vehicle switching lanes to the left. This guy's super impatient, so he swaps lanes that way, but he's cutting off this driver, which is this lane splitting. We got like 20,000 billion factors involved in this situation, and it's almost impossible to really judge what you should have done in this situation. See what I mean? Like that's a tough thing right there. Like you almost don't see that. And your assumption is he's going to stay in this lane, right? So I don't know why it was such a huge issue for this rider. It was almost like a panic. And rightfully so. You know, this guy came out of nowhere. His nose is still pointed that way. More than likely, he's not going to continue going that way because he's going to hit that vehicle. But you don't know that when you're in the middle of riding. You know, he's going to go this way because he got this open space. But man, is that such a panic, such a crazy thing. So really, the one thing that I can take away from this video is really what this rider, like why he got surprised. You know, that's what that is. It's surprised, right? He got surprised. It's not a panic. Like this is almost a little bit different than a panic braking, panic swerve, panic dumping. This is more of a, I got surprised and I did grab, but then I understand what's going on and I was able to get myself out of that situation. So watch this. Like, it's just going to be like whoa, it scared me. Okay. Too much rear brake on that one. Almost fishtailed it, but now we're going to go into the back of this vehicle, but he was able to modulate his speed, deceleration, braking, all that stuff, and he was able to get out of the way. So he was able to get out of there, and now he's checking mirrors to see if he's going to get hit by a vehicle on the other side. So he is aware of like all these things except for that one vehicle that stuck out, and there's no fault to that. Human brains, human eyes, human everything, while we're riding, we really can't capture everything. So when I see this, to me, it's like I'm just very happy for him. I'm very happy for this rider that was able to get out of it. Not much you could have done. Not much you could have done. He did everything he could, though. We typically see this type of stuff, and they crash. They'll just straight up crash. But he was aware enough, even after going to the brown stage for a quick second, to get back into red, to get back into orange. And in reality, that's all you can wish for. That's really all you can wish for, and something's that scary. So kudos to this guy.